Hello to everyone. Today I'm back with this video, how to change your password in Windows 10. How to set your password in Windows 10 to keep your files and docs secure. But before I start, please subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. Click the start button at the bottom left of your screen. Right-click on this icon and select Change Account Settings. Select Sign-in options from the menu. Click on Password, under Sign in with your account's password. Click on Change under Change your account password. In order to change your password, you have to sign in with your account password. Press on Next. Here put in new password. Re-enter the new password. Press Enter. You have to enter password hint, if not you will not finish the steps. After click on Finish. Done. Now that's the way we can change the password in Windows 10 forever. Please thank you for watching, and I hope you now understand this simple video. Subscribe, like, share, and even leave a comment. We meet in the next video.